Center, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
After our warmest weather of the entire summer over the weekend, we cooled down just a bit today, but overall the weather pattern looks warm for the extended future, including the next 7 days. Highs tomorrow will be in the 80s. It looks like lower 80s on Wednesday, right around 80 on Thursday. That's the normal high temperature for this time of year, but after that it's going to start to heat up again. It looks like upper 80s to around 90 for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Right now we've got a mixture of 70s and 80s across northeast Wisconsin. We actually have a cold front that is moving south and west across the viewing area right now. It's generally in this area. West of it, temperatures are still in the mid to upper 80s. East of it, we are looking at mid to upper 70s. Right now in Appleton, it is 81 degrees with north winds at around 10 miles per hour. Behind the front in Green Bay with northeast winds at around 12 miles per hour. The temperature has dropped back to 78 degrees. Ahead of that front, during the afternoon and now during the evening, we've seen a few showers and thunderstorms develop. These thunderstorms are now pushing south of the NBC26 viewing area. Earlier today, thunderstorms were moving right across the heart of the NBC26 viewing area, and they produced a lot of rain. In Washington Island, we had up to 3 inches of rain. In Neenah, close to 3 inches, about 2.5 inches of rain in Bellevue and Ephraim, just over 2 inches in Appleton, and we saw about 1.5 inches of rain in the Oshkosh area. That rain being fueled by high dew points, which continue this afternoon. Upper 60s to lower 70s. The dew point right now in Manitowoc is 72. It is also 72 in Oshkosh, and when dew points get that warm, that's when you can really feel the thickness in the air. It feels very tropical, and that will continue through tomorrow. High temperatures today, we're in the 80s across just about the entire viewing area. We're on the northern edge of some very warm to hot air, and this air mass is going to basically stay put as we move through the week. It's going to be pushed a little bit south for us as we head towards the middle of the week, and then it's going to come back at us as we move into the weekend. We've got a weak cold front that's going to wash out across central Wisconsin later on this evening. Behind that, we've got another cold front, and this is something we need to watch as we move into tomorrow evening. Ahead of that front, we have the threat for severe weather this evening across South Dakota and Nebraska. Quiet conditions across central and northern Wisconsin right now, back into Minnesota, but we are watching some thunderstorms now developing across South Dakota. It looks like we'll have a couple of batches of thunderstorms move across Wisconsin tomorrow, one during the morning or very early afternoon. You can see that right there in Precision Cast, and then another one coming in during the late afternoon and evening, and that's the one we need to watch for the threat of perhaps some severe weather. There is a slight risk of organized severe thunderstorms across just about the entire viewing area for tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. So tonight, look for fair skies and muggy conditions. It'll be quiet. Overnight lows will be in the upper 60s. Tomorrow, warm and humid, a mixture of sun, clouds, and thunderstorms. It looks like one period of weakening thunderstorms during the morning, then we'll break into a little bit of sunshine, and then we'll have more thunderstorms develop as we move into the late afternoon and evening hours. On Wednesday, decreasing clouds and windy, lower 80s for Thursday and Friday. Beautiful weather, mostly sunny skies, and then we'll start to heat up again as we move into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. With that heat and humidity, there will be a chance for a thunderstorm or two as well.
Yeah, definitely some July temperatures.
Yeah, I mean, this is July. This is what we expect, and this is what we're getting.
All right. Thank you so much, Cameron. Okay. Now let's take a look at what you're going to see tonight at 6 o'clock. Stacey Ingebretson is live in the newsroom.